ஹாய் ஹலோ வணக்கம் வெல்கம் பேக் டு தி சேனல் மக்களே. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற வீடியோ வந்து கிட்ஸோட ஸ்கூல் பற்றி தான். ஓகே, இப்போது சிட்டி சைடில் வந்து இந்த கிட்ஸ் ஸ்கூலிங் வந்து ரொம்ப கொஞ்சம் ஃபேமஸாக போயிட்டுருக்கிறதுனால என் அக்காவோட ஸ்கூல் இருக்குது. அதை பற்றின ஒரு ஸ்மால் ரிவ்யூ ப்ளஸ் ஒரு ஓவரால் ஒரு ஓரியன்டேஷன் மாதிரி. ஸோ நீங்கள் பாருங்கள், வீடியோ பார்த்து பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் அண்ட் ஷேர் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம்.
Bye-bye. चलो
Hello, good morning. I am Shashikala from Kidzee BANJARA layout. Ours is a franchisee. Hope you all will be knowing why we have been giving an interview regarding our school. It's mainly about the preschool and also the Montessori. We are completely unique compared towards the other school. I'll just describe you how we have been unique from the other preschools. Actually, the preschool is meant, ours has a Kidzee preschool is meant only for the activity based. We are not using chalk on the board format. You know what is a chalk on the board format? Giving just writing purposes, it is not like that. Here we follow the children's centric educational philosophy that focus on the holistic development, and our appearance combines the play based learning, creativity and nurturing the environment to the foster love of learning. And what is the main focus of us to the kids in the sense? Fully based activity. Like if you just wanted to know, I will just tell you the culminations of us, what we have been doing. For example, if you wanted to teach alphabets for the kids, we'll be just showing the object. Either it is a non-living or the living thing where the child can feel the texture and they will learn. For example, A for apple. We just take the apple object and we teach that. The child will know the color in that. They will know the texture into that. And also the artificial one fruits also we can just show to them. And then how we have been programmed and how we have been resigned into this to ensure the transition preschool. For after our preschool, the child has to go to the first standard, will be fully thorough. How we have been making the child to get thorough in the sense by the essential skill. We have literacy, we have numeracy, and also we have social interaction and emotional development. This is what about the culmination of the Kidzee. And how Kidzee BANJARA layout can secure your child. Here the teachers who has been working or the facilitator who has been working, we can just tell your kids, you are sending the Kidzee to the BANJARA Kidzee. It is like the parents, how you take care of a child in your home. In the same way here our facilitator and the management plus the staff, non-teaching staff also take care of your child as their own kids. And we have a security. Once the school starts, the gates will be closed, the doors which is being both the side will be closed, and we have a CCTV camera. And one thing, like we are school timing starts from 9:30 to 12:30. the children will get assembled in the play area. We start up with the school anthem, and then later we start up with the exercise, yoga, and then dance. Later on, teachers will be teaching them the rhymes, few rhymes along with the actions. That will be the first day. Second day will be the TV, video. We will be showing them the storytelling and also the rhymes, wherein most of the children can grasp by seeing the videos, pictures, the beautiful pictures or the cartoons. It can grasp them nicely to the brain. And alternate days, the teachers also will be teaching them with action rhymes, wherein the children can hear clearly the pronunciation and the action what the teachers are been teaching. And dance also will be there, yoga also will be there. That process, the assembly process will be from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. And then one session timetable will be given from the head office. One session from 10 to 10:30, they will be having a class, maybe of a literacy one. The timetable won't be the same for every day, it keeps changing. From 10:30 to 10:45 will be of a break time, and later they will be having a lesson, class sessions. And at the end of the day, like from 12 to 12:30, we will be having the out area plays. Like we'll have like jumping exercise, outdoor games exercise will be there. Outdoor games will be taught for the kids. Later on, the parents will be collecting their kids. So here from 9:30 to 12:30, the class hours will be for the PG and also nursery. For junior and senior KG, it will be from 9:30 to 1 o'clock. And the uniform will be every day from Monday to Friday. Wednesdays will be of a color dress. Every Wednesday will be having a activity time. Maybe we'll be celebrating splash days like yellow, green, white. Apart from this, we too have a field trip. Like last year, for example, we have been for the Shoppers supermarket, wherein the children has to know each and everything. And later we have been to the fire station. What are the do's and don'ts they were being learned over there. We have been for the post office, and also we have been to the nursery, that is for the garden, like to know what are the herbs, shrubs and trees. This also was there in the culmination. Thank you. So this is our campus. This will be of an activity area, the play group where the kids can play, and this side will be of an entrance. You can just come in. This will be of an entrance. This will be of an assembly hall or the AV room for the kids to learn. Exercise will be done, prayers will be done, yoga classes and dance. This will be of a nursery classes. Here we have a table where the child will be sitting on the floor, Eva mat floor, and the table they will write it here. This class for the junior KG. The seating arrangement, they will have a table and also the chair. So here each classroom ventilation is well ventilated, light is also been well. So this will be of a senior section. Here where we celebrate the children's birthday. Birthday celebration will be done here. For further details, please contact, and to follow us in the Insta and also the Facebook, please follow the description given below. Thank you.
வீடியோ பார்த்துருப்பீங்க மக்களே. உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ பார்த்துட்டு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா கீழே இருக்கிற டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்கிற லிங்க்ஸ், காண்டாக்ட்ஸ் நம்பர்ஸை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸ்கார் 10 அப்படின்ற கோட் நம்பரை நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு 10% டிஸ்கவுண்ட் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் guys. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.